Shaira Jamal Asibun, the Click Me Learning Facilitator assigned in Arena Blanco, Zamboanga City. It is a true honor to stand before you today, not just to speak, but to share a story of purpose, perseverance, and life-changing power of education. So before I joined Click Me, or Click Mobile Education, I was in a place of uncertainty. Like many others, I was searching not just for a job, but for direction, for purpose. During that time, I reached out to someone I deeply trust, which is Ma'am Jainab Abdul Majid. I asked her, Ma'am, mayroon po ba kayong pwedeng applyan? So, yes, a few weeks later, she introduced Click Me. Without hesitation, I said yes. Because of Ma'am Jainab, who's always guided by service, offers you an opportunity. You know it's not a job, it's something bigger. That time, I didn't realize how much that decision would change my life and the lives of many others. When I officially started as a community learning facilitator, I was already 5 months pregnant. Every time I went to Arena Blanco, I had to ride a motorcycle, driven either by my husband or my father, passing through 4 barangays on rough, unpaved roads, whether it was raining or scorching hot. It wasn't easy, especially with a sensitive pregnancy. But something in me kept saying, this is your mission. This is bigger than you. I started with nothing. No learners, no list, just hope. I believed that if I showed up, the community would respond, and they did, alhamdulillah. We were aiming for 100 learners, but what I found in Arena Blanco went beyond the numbers. I found stories, I found struggles, I found strength. Almost 400 people came forward, like high school dropouts, young moms, out-of-school youth, fathers, fishermen, housewives, and even kapgus in the area, and small business owners. People who thought their chance to learn had already passed. I remember one learner telling me, akala namin, Ma'am Shai, wala na kaming pag-asa, wala na kaming lugar sa edukasyon. But through Click Me, they realized that hope is always there, that learning doesn't have an age limit, and that education doesn't just happen in classrooms. It happens in communities, in courage, and commitment. That moment changed me. I wasn't just a facilitator anymore. I became an advocate, a believer in our people's untapped potential. People who just need someone to open a door for them, to give them a second chance, and to say, you matter, you belong, you can still dream. So throughout our sessions, I saw pure joy. I saw learners, some who had never touched a laptop, learn how to turn it on, how to navigate it, how to complete digital activities with pride. I saw their confidence grow, not just in tech skills, but in themselves. And today, I can proudly say that many of them have graduated from us. Some are now in college, others have found jobs, some even in abroad. What they learned through Click Me became their stepping stone to be a better future. That's the power of access, the power of belief, the power of giving someone a second chance. And for me, this experience has been one of the greatest honors of my life. To be part of something that uplifts and transforms not just individuals, but entire communities. But none of this would have been possible without the people behind the mission. To Ma'am Rose Cabrera, our CEO and co-founder, thank you for dreaming big and leading with heart. To Ma'am Melissa Moran, yes, our COO, thank you for building the systems that make all this possible. And of course, to Ma'am Jainab Abdul Majid. Malaya. So thank you for being the bridge that connects people to opportunity. And of course, to the sponsors, thank you for supporting us and making this mission possible. To all the partners from different places and communities, and to the entire Clickly team, both in front and behind the scenes. Thank you for your dedication, your sacrifices, and your commitment to serve. I'm sorry for the tears. Because of you, I didn't just find work, I found purpose. Because of you, hundreds of learners have found hope. And because of you, I now stand here not just a facilitator, but as a witness to transformation. Maraming salamat po and many